Hi everyone, today we'll be making pineapple smoothie. So let's make and enjoy. First of all, cut the pineapple and peel it up. Pineapple has been shown to have a component called bromelain, and this bromelain is very good because it helps to reduce inflammation. So it has anti-inflammatory properties. It also has digestive enzymes as well, hence helping you with your digestion. So this is just a quick smoothie that we will make, and I hope you enjoy with me. Cut this in half. Make sure you wash it though. I already washed it, so you make sure you have all the gems clean up. And usually I get organic product. After I clean this and cut this, that one fell off. Then today we am adding lemon. I know lemon is good because it has vitamin C. And did you know lemon has more vitamin C than limes? So usually I buy more of lemon than lime. And I usually add it to my juices. If you want to know more on juice recipes, you can just watch on my channel. But for this one, I just want to try and add lemon to this smoothie recipe and see how it tastes. But lemon is good because it has lots of vitamin C, which helps to make you healthy. And also we are adding strawberries. Strawberry is very important. It's very good because it has polyphenols that helps in your body as well. So add some strawberry, and also helps to reduce, like to lower blood sugar. Those who want to reduce their blood sugar levels, you can use strawberry instead. So I'm adding my strawberries, and I'll add my pineapple. Then I'll add my lemon. I added my lemon. Then I'm also adding yogurt. This one is cashew yogurt. I know I'm trying to reduce animal-based products, so I'm substituting it with plant-based product, and one of them is the yogurt. So I'm using probiotic cashew yogurt. Probiotic is good for your health, but especially for women like myself. It helps with your hormones, I guess. I'm not a medical doctor. I'm just trying to be healthy, and and doing that has really helped me to manage health. So we've added our strawberry, pineapple, lemon, the yogurt. I didn't want to add. I should have added dates to this, but today I don't want to add it. Just want to do it like that. And I'll be adding water as well to this because I don't want it to be so thick. Now let me close this. Let's try and blend it. Same this. Make sure you blend a couple of times. Mix it up. And let's see. This is a good way to be healthy. And don't remember, Jesus loves you. Yes, Jesus loves you. the Jesus girl. Health is wealth, but we know God will take care of your health, but there are things that you have to do to stay healthy. So this is what we have today. Let me see. Mm. I should have added that date because it's kind of sweet a little bit, but it's sour because the lemon. But I needed the lemon though to increase my vitamin C in my body and to boost my health today. So try it and let me know what you think. If it's good, just let me know in the comments, or what your take is on this, and let me know if you want me to make other recipes as well. What is your best recipes or juice that you've tried so far? Enjoy, take care, and don't remember. And don't forget, Jesus loves you. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.